Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Jay, and today I'm going to be reviewing Ecamm Live, and specifically Ecamm Live in combination with my Canon EOS Rebel T5i. Now, I specifically sought out this software because I knew that it would work in combination with my Canon camera, and I wanted to test this out and show you guys, how it looks compared to the webcam on my MacBook Pro, and also to show you a few features. So I'm going to quickly switch here to screen share mode so I can show you guys how simple it is to operate this Ecamm Live. Now you can see here I've got my different scenes already set. I've got my original scene, which is my Canon camera. This is running on my webcam while I'm in screen share mode, just because I'm looking down at the computer. But you can see here I've got different scenes preset. And what you can do with these scenes is you can create overlays. So what an overlay is, it can be text, it can be an animated overlay, it can even be a video. So, the way this works is you simply just click one of these, new animated overlay. So I'll show you what that looks like right now. I did a little animated overlay, and it looks something like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe right now, guys. And at the bottom here, you can see that it's got a text overlay now, and you can have it kind of like a ticker tape like this, going by, just kind of reminding the viewers, calls to action, anything like that. So in a live stream, that's super handy to not have to stop and keep reminding people, to subscribe, or to, remind them what your topic is. Maybe they missed the beginning of your live stream, and they want to catch up. All right, so now again, we're going to take this back to the first scene here, where it's just me on the Canon camera with my background. I've got the 50mm lens on, so I've got the background slightly out of focus, which is something I love. It kind of makes your subject or your main image pop. But now let's compare that directly to my webcam on my computer. Now, this is a brand new MacBook Pro, pretty decent quality camera, but again, compare that to this. And Ecamm Live does all the work for you. There's no converters. I looked into other ways of doing this, and there really isn't an easier way. The only catch is this only works if you have a Mac and a Canon camera specifically. So I haven't tried any other cameras, but I do know that the Canon and the Mac are compatible with the Ecamm Live software. Any other camera, or if you have a PC laptop, or Windows laptop, then you may not be able to run this exact setup. Now that being said, I'm sure they'll find a way around it soon. I'm going to show you one more little feature of this software. It's kind of cool. So say you're in the middle of a live stream and you had a video presentation, a short video presentation, and rather than trying to fumble through it or draw it out on a whiteboard, you just wanted to have your video presentation pop up. Now my mic will get muted as soon as I hit this, but you'll be able to hear my video presentation.
What is a segregated fund, and what are the advantages of this type of investment?
So you can see, guys, how that would be helpful. Maybe you need a break, or maybe you just really want a smooth and interesting way of presenting that particular topic. You could, sit back and have a little break, have a coffee with your viewers while you all watch your pre-loaded video. So that's just how this is working for me so far, guys. This is a brand new software to me. I'm not broadcasting this live. It does have a record only mode, which I'm utilizing right now because I wanted to take this for a test drive before I live streamed with it. Now, my next video, I'll be showing you how I live stream with it and how it's been working for me. And I'm also going to be using the interview mode, and I'll be posting some videos with that as well. So Please like and subscribe, guys, if you got a little value out of this, and I hope to see you in the next video.